So that went quicker than I was expecting. So we've got these rails mounted on the side. They're meant to go so that the load is vertical through them. So they would, if I was to use these, they would be mounted here, and all this would have to change. But we were when we couldn't run 2 stepper motors with the old rails. This bit is here just to stop these flopping around, and so both stepper motors are connected, and we work. So I'm quite happy about that. This rail is 1 metre long. The table is 1.2 metres. The old rails were 1.2 metres. The idea with this rail was that I was going to cut it about there, so that, and this long section was going to be for the x-axis, and the shorter section was going to do my z-axis. Might still do that, or I might buy 1.2 metre ones of these. It's either we buy 1.2 metre ones of these and continue with the plan to convert these into X and Z rails, or I just leave those there. I'll have to mount them on top here, and then I get some new rails for the x-axis and z-axis. It's been so frustrating. Really happy that is working.